Hello and welcome to the new AMED network. My name is Leif Hansen and I'm Managing Director of Spark Social Media and creator of the site. My passion is helping people to increase their creativity and connection, both online and offline, and so it was a pleasure working with an organization like the AMED network, which believes in the power of both online and offline connection. So today is the first in a three-part video series in which I'm going to introduce you how to create your account and your profile page, as well as how to customize it and get some basic features going. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first come to the AMED network, which is www.amed.org.uk, you'll see in the upper right corner you have the option of signing in or signing up. We're going to start from scratch, so go ahead and click sign up. This takes us to the basic information where you type in your email address, your password and verify it, your birthday, and don't worry, the date, the year is private. You type in some numbers and letters, your verification code, which is these numbers here, and click sign up. You'll then go ahead and type in your full name, choose a profile picture from your computer, something I highly recommend as you'll have a lot more chance of connecting with other people and them connecting with you and trusting you if they see that there's a real face there. It's been proven that people that have profile images are the click-throughs on their profile pages are dramatically higher. Then you go ahead and answer basic questions about where you work and live and about your profession, the reasons that you want to connect and use this site, and some other information about you like your bio, what you do for your own development. And then at the end, go ahead and put a website that you want people to visit. Could be a blog, a LinkedIn profile, or your business site. And then click join. Congratulations, you will now be a member of the AMED network. This big blue banner that you see when you first come to the site is kind of a quick action banner. You can click this upper right X, that will make it go away. We'll do that in a second. You can immediately add some content. You can invite your friends, which is a great way to get the AMED network to grow, as well as getting your professional and friends to join the site and to do some networking with them. And you can click customize your page. Now if I were to click customize your page, it would have taken me to this page here, my page, which is your profile page, and what we're going to be focusing on today. At the very top of this page, you can put whatever kind of welcome information you want. You click on that and type anything that you want to have there. Click save. And underneath that are a series of boxes, kind of like the rest of the site. We'll call these modules. Now these boxes can actually be moved around in whatever order you want, so you can highlight the information that you think is most important. And let's go through each of those boxes one by one. The latest activity is the information that you have been doing on the site. So if you've been adding blog posts or comments, or if you've been adding videos, all the information shows up there in a little stream. If you only want a few things to show up or nothing at all, you could change that by clicking the edit box in the upper right corner and then clicking save. By the way, if I'm ever going too fast, don't forget this is a video and you can pause it. I just don't want the video to be too long. If you want to change the privacy setting about what kinds of information show up in this latest activity, click that, and you'll see that you can control things like who can see your profile page, from anyone to just this AMED community to just your friends. Or you can get more specific about certain photos and videos and blog posts, all kinds of other privacy features that you can add there. When you're done, make sure you click save. Go back to your profile page. The next box down shows your profile information. Those are the questions that you answered when you first joined the site. And if you want to go back and edit them or just fill them in because you were too busy, you click edit. And you'll be taken to the basic information at the top and all those questions that we've chosen for you to get to know each other and find out about each other. When you're done, you click save. One little note here is there's a great link that you can right-click and copy in almost all web browsers. And you can send that link to other people and tell them that's your profile page for this site. Going back to the main profile page. The box underneath that is a really cool box. It's like having your own web page on the site because you can customize it however you want. I click that upper right button that says edit, give it a title, And then in here, you can, if you know HTML, you can go ahead and put whatever you want. But if you don't know the programming language, which probably most of you don't worry. There's some simple things you can do here. So for example, say you wanted to put a link in, you could highlight that text, click the little link, and then just type in your website there. And it's going to look like a bunch of gobbledygook for now. This is HTML language. Say you wanted to add a picture. Browse on your computer somewhere, choose a picture, and then click Add. And to make it look like what you want it to look like, you'll click Save, and voila! You now have a hyperlink in there, whatever text you put in formatting, any pictures, you can even upload files on there. So customize that. You can then, if you want that to be the thing you feature on your profile page, go ahead and click the title, move it to the top. Everybody has a comment wall on the end of their profile page. If you're familiar with Facebook or LinkedIn and things like that, it's a way to publicly leave messages to each other. Now, most of the time you're going to be leaving messages on other people's pages, but of course you can here also put links, pictures, and files. Click Add Comment. And the comment shows up, and people can reply to each other's pages there and have public conversations. If you want to have a private conversation with someone, leave them a message and email on the site. Let's go and look at someone else's profile page for a second. Let's check out the full member page here. And let's choose somebody who I want to tease. Somebody like Belina. So you go to somebody's page, you can see that Belina has been active on her page, leaving comments and attending events. Again, in the future videos, we're going to be talking about how you can leave content and how you can maximize the site, best practices for the site. So she obviously has it on a high setting of comments, shows her profile information, and a badge that she's a full member, paying member of the site. And there's a comment wall, so we could leave her a comment on the end of her wall here. Hi, Belina. Thanks for being a guinea pig. We love you. And then you leave a comment, and there you go. Now, if I wanted to add her as a friend, I would click Add as Friend. I could add a personal message with that to introduce myself or to remind this person who I am. Click Send. And that person will receive a request to join my network. Why would you do that? Why would you add friends? Well, if you could just go ahead and ask everybody to be your friend, which is one tactic. Another approach is when you make a personal connection with someone in real time or online, it's a great way to build that network up and to remind you who is part of your network. And then, as you see right here, you'll see who are friends. You can click that and see all of the people in Belina's network. On a person's profile page, as you build it up, as you build your page up, you'll see how many events they've added, groups they're a part of, discussions, blog posts, things like that. You can find a lot of detailed information about what the person has added and join them in their group, join them at the event they're attending, and things like that. So, once you are a friend with somebody, as I was trying to say earlier, you can click underneath their profile and you can click Send a Message, and you'll be able to send that person a private message which shows up in their inbox. In the upper right corner, you'll see the little link there. I click Inbox, and it will show any messages I have or have sent, or any alerts, as in someone's invited you to join a group or things like that will show up in this alerts section. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial as to how to create a profile page. I'm going to show you one last little thing I'm just remembering now. You can change your photo here. You can also change your theme. Say you want the design of your page to look a little different. Let's go for this one here, Bondi. You can do advanced changes here. You click Save. And now my page, the colors and the design and the layout will look a little different. And then this was actually the last thing I wanted to show you. A great way to spread the word about your profile and get your business name out there and your profile is to click on share. That'll give you the option to click it, to share your profile and the site on Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, lots of different sites, including some options down here, or just send it to direct email addresses here. You can even choose from within your network, share a specific page on any page of the site. It could be a blog entry, a forum, a video. You can always click a share button. You'll find somewhere on the page and then click share this page. Thanks again. It was a pleasure meeting you, and I hope to meet you, some of you, real time. The next video, as I've mentioned, will be showing you the main features of the site, particularly this first page, and we'll also be showing you how best practices will be the third video after that. So thanks again, and I look forward to talking to you later. Bye.